They're creepy, they're crawly, and they are crazy cute. These veggie bugs are guaranteed to start an after-school feeding frenzy. And mom can cash in on that very rare occasion to sneak in some extra nutrients. Food instructor Aimee Krey is here with us with these darling, edible little critters, and they're almost not quite a recipe. They're more of a craft.
It's a craft food for sure.
I love it.
Craft food for kids. I mean, actually adults too, why not? But kids will be all over this.
Okay, break it down for me. What did you bring?
Looks like I call the orange one a snail.
I know what you brought, I can see.
I think the orange would be a snail, and the other one maybe a caterpillar is one of those.
They are so cute. Okay, I'm going to lift up this orange.
Okay, be careful, be careful.
Is it going to fall apart?
The orange might fall over.
Okay, I'm going to be careful.
Okay.
You know what, if it falls, snails lose their shells all the time. It's a part of nature.
How cute is that?
Let's see if I can get that the right way for you. Look at that, little
cute
snail
little face.
inching along. Too cute. And then this little, and two little caterpillars. And I've got some peanut butter. I'm just going to lick it off.
Lick it off.
Don't tell the health code people. Okay, I want to make one of these. How do I do this?
So why don't you go ahead and make the snail that you just picked up. You want to put some peanut butter. Now, you'll notice on the little celery is our little vehicle for this, and it's rounded on the bottom, so I just flattened it off so they'll sit up straight.
That's a great idea, because otherwise you're tipping to and fro every which way.
Your bugs are going to fall apart.
Okay, so this is pretty simple. I'm just getting this.
Just like you're making mash on log or something.
Good.
You're doing yours. I'm doing some cream cheese on mine.
Okay, is it plain cream cheese? It kind of looks like
no, it's onion and chive, but you could use regular. Whatever you have is just fine.
Okay. Have you ever done it? Well, maybe not. I guess you could make these sweet. Oh, the blueberry one.
Well, the blueberry
you could do
one,
almost like a blueberry cream cheese.
The blueberry was great for the little head, but yeah, it's all edible. The eyes are just little candy eyes, so
that's when the kids really eat it. You know,
they save the best for last, right? Or first.
Yeah, no doubt. Okay.
Okay, so next, let's see. You need. Let's see.
What do I need? I need an orange.
You need an orange.
I'm taking an orange.
Put the orange right in the center there.
All right, we're gonna smash this down on.
And you can see that the face is a cashew.
I know, it's staying
So
cute,
what I use for the glue is a toothpick.
Okay.
And just dip on the side of there, and it's basically just the same.
So I'm just rubbing this.
Yeah, I mean, like you want a dab, because the face is just tiny, right?
Oh, okay.
So here, I'm gonna give that to you. Yes.
Okay,
and
then what am I doing?
The face is this way. So just a little eye and a little eye, just a little dab.
Oh, I got you. This is the glue for the eyes.
This is the glue for the eye, yeah.
Gotcha.
So just a little chunk it, there we go.
Okay, as we're doing this, I'm just
perfect.
thinking maybe my kids could actually do this.
Oh no, like your 2-year-old could do this.
Oh yeah, and I have two 2-year-olds.
Do you really?
So they could both do this, which would be amazing.
Fun times. Okay, so there's one eye. I'll let you put the on the other.
Okay.
And
where do you get these little eyes?
The eyes, you can just get those at any craft store. Actually, I got these at Walmart, so
you did?
Go look in like the little.
Where?
They have like a little party section.
Okay.
Where you can get like.
They have bags of eyes and.
Bags of eyes. Is that what you said? They've got bags of eyes.
They just sold it. Walmart has everything.
They do have everything. Okay, so look how cute that is.
Okay, I'm putting it in there.
Now I've got the caterpillar here.
So cute.
I like to poke little holes in it first so that I can get my cute little antennas, and I use
rosemary. Okay.
Rosemary leaves. So I don't know if your kids are gonna want to eat that, but they will sure like the look of it.
I'll just eat it after because the rosemary is so delightful.
So we can get that in. There, how cute is that?
Just so cute.
And then I would do the same thing
just a
with
little
the
dab
eyes.
of peanut butter, put them on. Those are absolutely darling. So I understand that you have cooking classes.
Yes.
And a website.
Cooking classes for kids and a food blog.
Okay.
And my food blog is Food of Love at blogspot.com.
Okay, Food of Love.
Exactly.
Okay,
you got it right.
Okay.
And then I do cooking classes for kids, and my next ones aren't coming up till summertime. So that will be. I always post them on Facebook, so that.
What ages?
The youngest I have is 5, and then it goes up till, I'll do some teenage classes, but usually about 12 or 13. If they haven't already been doing it, by 12 or 13, they kind of lose their interest. Yeah. Unless they've already been doing it.
No.
And then
I got a 12-year-old, I feel ya.
Oh,
yeah.
really?
These are so darling.
Aren't they
Thank
cute?
you so much for bringing them on. I am going to attempt, this actually might be something I could make myself, so I will make these at home. And I
Emily,
will report back
you got
on
this.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks so much for coming. While this food idea is not really traditional recipe, Aimee has agreed to share it with us on our website. Look on our website under the recipe tab.